to be using the and or statements. To write the and statement, it is just two of the and symbols like that. And to write the or statement, if you go look at the forward slash that looks like this, and you press shift, you get these two bars that go straight up and down, and that is our or statement. We're going to show you how to, or I'm going to show you how to use that in just a sec. So, we're going to ask for that input. Or actually, no, we'll get an integer first. So we'll do int grade, that'll be the grade. We'll ask for the input. It's grade equals convert dot to int capital I capital T 32 parentheses console dot read line parentheses semicolon. Alright, so now that we got our grade, we shall start our if statements. So these if statements will be if else statements, or start with an if statement and then the rest of them will be if else statements. If you're feeling lazy, you can do the last one as an else statement. We'll see that in a second though. So our first thing, if grade, and we'll do I think there's an A and an A++. We'll see in a second. If grade is greater than or equal to 90, and then our and statement, which is two and symbols under the 7, and grade is less than or equal to 100. Oh, 100. And this is kind of like, what is it called? It is called what we did last time. Embedded if statements. But instead of doing multiple if statements, we put it all in one. So this says if grade, and then, or it's our if statement, and then the condition, and then we have also and if grade condition. So it's just a embedded if statement. That's what I call them. So if our grade is greater than or equal to or 90, and it is less than or equal to 100, we will output you have a in this class. Alright, and if we go to run it, it shouldn't give us any errors, and doesn't ask us anything. You fix that. 90, you have an A in this class. Need to go back to not fix this, but add something. We'll do console dot write line. I forgot this. Please type in your grade. Please, oh, I forgot my parentheses. Please type in your grade. Alright, got that down. So when we go back to run it, I have a 99 in this class. I have an A. Great. Our next is going to be an else if grade is greater than or equal to, the next lower one is 80, and grade is less than or equal to 89. We're going to write that you have a B in this class. And we're just going to keep repeating this until we get down to D, and then we're going to make a jump. If grade is greater than or equal to 70, grade is less than or equal to 79, console dot write line. Yeah, let's see. You have a C in this class. So if you want to just skip to the final part, to where we're checking and whatnot, then, because this is just what we're going to be doing for the next two, it is not really important. I'm going to check real quick what is wrong. Yes. So if you have 100, it's actually, wow, a perfect score, A+. I'm going to copy that. And we go back to the top. 99. If grade equals 100. Console dot write line that. Alright, that should be good for our checks. We'll finish this off. Else if that's bugging me. There we go. Grade is greater than or equal to, actually, I think this one is less. We'll do greater than or equal to 0, and grade is less than or equal to 69, the funny number. We'll say console dot write line you have a F in this class. I don't know how this assignment has changed since last year, so we're going to check real quick. What is it? You have a C. Alright. It's always fun to have to change everything, you know? I think that's a period. And for those who skip to the end, change the statement up here from grade is less than or equal to 100, and create a new if statement saying if grade is equal to 100. You can do an else statement here, but it really doesn't matter. Most of these else statements don't matter, but it's good to look nice. Make your code finesse. And another output. And the output for F, uh-oh, you have an F. Because Mr. Benton can't keep to one thing. Have to change it up on you. We'll try again. Case 1, 2, 3, and another one. And of course, you have an A. Actually, I don't even need to copy it. There we go. You have an A exclamation mark for the last one. Because that's Mr. Benton. What's wrong now? Oh. Maybe this time. There we go. So, conditionals, 3 inputs, using the and statements and the or statements. We didn't really get to see the or statements this time, but maybe eventually you'll use them. Probably for the calculator. If you're doing the calculator, you'll probably use them. Alright, until next time.